Hi, my name is Tim Long, the CEO and founder of New Life Medical Centers, a primary care facility, and BioFit 20, which specializes in weight loss and fitness. Today I want to talk to you about a peptide that's been around for a long time, has lots of studies. If you've done any research at all, you've probably heard about this peptide. It's called Semorelin. Now, if you're looking for a way to slow the aging process and replace what's kind of diminished over time, because as we get older, we produce less human growth hormone, which helps us recover in every way. That's what Semorelin does. Is it rejuvenates the pituitary gland to produce more human growth hormone. Now, what benefits do you get from that? You increase lean body mass, lean muscle tissue, fat reduction, improved energy and vitality, increased endurance and strength, accelerated wound healing, whether it's from like a tendonitis or a cut, improved immune function, improved cardiovascular function, improved sleep. And what Semorelin does is supports natural human growth hormone production. And what's great about it is that your body self-regulates. So it's almost impossible to get the levels too high because your body will regulate that, self-regulate that. So what human growth hormone is for is essential for cell regeneration, cell reproduction, leading to better cognitive function, anti-aging benefits. It also will help grow new muscle tissue or muscle fibers. And what's great about it, again, it's natural. And we use this, especially if you are someone who is type 2 diabetic or diabetic, and we have to be careful with your blood sugar. This one does not raise or affect the blood sugar. We have one peptide that if you have total control of your blood sugar, it's the best one overall. It's the muscle builder peptide that we talked about in another video. But if you do have issues with blood sugar, type 2, pre-diabetics, even diabetics, we have peptides that can work around all those. So if you're interested in anti-aging benefits, trying to get all the benefits in one peptide, this is probably the one for you. So if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. We'd be glad to answer any questions you have.